Lintratech, industry leader in weak signal bridging. Foshan Linchuang Technology Company, Limited is a professional manufacturer of mobile communication equipment integrating R&D and sales. With a highly automated integrated production line. Over 3,000 square meters of independent R&D and production factory. Adhere to independent R&D and production. Strictly control production quality. Establish modern warehousing and logistics to ensure logistics timeliness and on-time arrival. Dedicated to the communications industry for many years and won a number of national patents. We have national-level high-tech enterprise certification and quality management ISO 9001 certification. Industry radio equipment model approval certificate.
US FCC, Europe CE certificate.
Now we have family-level, medium power models and high-power model series products. Products are widely used in offices, villas, rental houses, and basements. Various scenes such as elevators, pipe galleries, bars, tunnels, etc. Products are sold around the world and have benefited more than 100,000 household projects. 8 years of senior technical team support and professional management. Multiple professional and senior engineers customize solutions online for projects. Provide various product customization services and do OEM ODM for clients. Having been in the industry for many years, we have rich field installation experience. Large underground parking lot signal coverage. Internet and voice signal coverage in commercial offices. Bars and other entertainment venues signal coverage experience. Elevator, electric room call and internet signal coverage. Tunnel, corridor call and internet signal coverage. Desert and mining area signal coverage. Ships and yacht signal coverage. We are looking forward to win-win cooperation with you. Lintratech, let the world know blind area, let communication know berries, let love not waiting.